Welcome everybody, it's Diorama Don here once more, and today we are looking at a dilapidated, broken down old wooden fence. I've made it just from a scrap of cardboard, so really has cost no money whatsoever, nothing at all. As you can see, it could do with a better paint job, I will admit, but it's not too bad considering the amount of paints that I've got, which is about zero. Let's go about making it. Before that, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and you'll be informed when new videos come along. So let's get into how I made it. Okay, so what we need to do is I use 3mm cardboard, as I do for most of my projects. So if you can get 3mm, all well and good. And then you decide how high, how tall you want the fence on, and how long you want it. This is just a test piece, just to show you. So once you've decided that, then draw on the card two-dimensionally what you want the fence to look like. Draw these parallel lines along here. These will be the the things that hold the fence together. I don't know what you'd call them. So draw those first, and then draw how you'd want the panels to be, whether you could have them all the same all the way along, without there being gaps between, but for the sake of argument, I've just made it a really old, wrecked, falling down looking fence. So some panels together, not all the same width, all different widths, and some falling over. So I will cut out these areas here, like so, which will show them leaning over. But as long as they're within these parallel lines, then everything will all stay together. So this is the longer version of what I've done. So when you've cut everything out, it will look like that. Okay, and you've still got these lines across there, because later when we put the fence posts in, I think that one goes there. I did have another one, I've lost it. Oh, there it is. So there will be fence posts that will be thicker than the posts of the fence, and then just wavy lines, really, just to make them look reasonably authentic. They all sit in between. Where do they go? That's it, in between like that. Where's the other one? Goes in there, and that'll be like that. Okay, so that will be the shape of the fence when you've done something like that. So once we've got all this cut out, then you can cut the tops to different lengths to make it more interesting. The panels that are together, just cut a groove between the panels to show that they are individual panels. And what I've done is take the bottom off some of the panels and gouge with a knife to make it look like a rotted bottom, like so. So that will give that effect. And then on the surface, just lightly score with a knife as well, not too deep, to give the effect of the wood grain. And then with a sharp, well, I haven't got a sharp screwdriver, I'll use a pencil, but just sort of gouge out as well on top, just to make it look more weathered and wood-like. And also a bit of a chamfer as well on most of the posts, just to give it, they wouldn't necessarily be exactly square like that. So a bit of a cutting a chamfer there. So that's basically it. I shall carry on and make it look more like that. That needs sanding over a little bit, but it will give it that weathered look, and you can see at the top what I've done to make it look rotted on the top there. So I'll carry on and do that, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I've assembled everything. I'll put the cross pieces in and the fence posts, and scored most of the panels with a knife to give the impression of the old wood grain. Now all that remains is to paint it and set it in some kind of small diorama. But that's basically the assembly of it anyway. So I'll go ahead and paint it. Not my greatest asset, I must admit, but we'll see what we can do, and I'll be back later. Okay, so I've cut everything out and painted it as best I can, stuck it onto a little bit of a diorama. But for the sake of an offcut of cardboard, then it's not too bad a representation of a dilapidated wooden fence. You can maybe have your own ideas as to how to make it, your own design of fence. Okay, so there we are, one wooden fence. If you've enjoyed the video, please click that subscribe button or press the like button. I'll be back in a few days' time with a new project. In the meantime, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.